How to block websites on Chrome on Android. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easily you can delete or block a website in your Chrome. For that, head over to your Chrome, get logged into your specific Google account, then tap on three-dot icon here. Scroll below, then you will see settings. Tap it, and likewise, you have to scroll below again. Tap on side settings, and make sure the microphone is blocked, the location is blocked. Come back. Tap on privacy and security. Tap on safe browsing and make sure this is on to standard protection and not enhanced protection. Once it is so, tap on use secure DNS. You can also type in or choose your own DNS provider. In my case, I'm going to toggle it on use secure DNS. And once it is so, tap on the third-party cookies. Make sure that you tap on block here. Just like so, restart your device, launch your Chrome, and this shall work. That is all for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.